Let's learn about animals' body part. This is a trunk of an elephant. This is a whiskers of a cat. This is a tail of a lion. This is a horn of a rhinoceros. This is a wing of an eagle. This is a fangs of a tiger. This is an antler of a deer. This is a beak of a toucan. This is a shell of a snail. This is a claws of a bear. This is a fur of a bear. This is a paw of a cat. This is a hoof of a horse. This is a web of a duck. This is a hump of a camel. This is a fin of a fish. This is the scales of a fish. This is the spots of a leopard. This is the stripes of a zebra. Good job, kids. Do practice again and again. Do subscribe for such more videos.